What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel where I try to provide you guys with the best business, finance, and entrepreneurship advice that I possibly can. In this video, we are going to talk about the best tool you can possibly use in order to save more money. Now, before we get into the actual tool that I'm going to be recommending for you guys, let's talk about why it is so important to save money. I'm sure you guys have heard the saying that it's not how much money you actually get, it's actually how much money you're able to save at the end of the day. I myself am a perfect example that it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you save, because I'm actually a college student and I don't work nearly as much as I could if I was not in college. But I'm still able to invest in real estate, stocks, and other things, businesses. I'm able to invest in all those things just because I'm able to save even though I don't make that much money. Most of you guys already probably make more money than I do just because I'm a college student. It gives me a lot less time to work, and I'm just always usually busy with schoolwork, tests, studying, so I have all this other stuff going on. Maybe you guys are in the same boat that I am, but most of you guys probably do make more money than I do. Maybe you guys are full-time job workers or whatever you guys do, but some of you guys probably do make more than I do. Now you guys, the reason that I bring up the whole college thing is not to complain about not making that much money or that I don't have enough time or any of this stuff. It's just giving you guys an example as to tell you guys that it's not about how much money you make, it's how much you save. Some of you guys might be out there full-time workers or making pretty good money, but you're still not able to save even though you make a ton of money. You waste it on a bunch of random stuff and you don't even know where that money goes, when you could save it, invest it in the future, and it can come back and bring you more money in the future. Now for me, you guys, I literally don't spend much throughout the week. I probably save more than, no, not even probably, I for sure save more than half of my income each week. So probably about 60 to 70% of the money that I make each week, I save all of that. Save it, hold it for whenever I need to invest it, and then pull it out, put it into whatever I want to invest into, and then just have that make me more money. Now, I'm not saying you guys need to start off by saving 60 to 70%. I know a lot of you guys have bills to pay, you guys have rent, you got to pay for food. I'm in college, so I still live with my parents, which is why I'm able to save that 60 to 70% of my income. But what I would recommend for you guys is to save at least 10% starting off. Let's say you're not doing very well at saving, just start off at 10%. Each week, try to raise it a little bit, and then go as high as you can. Eliminate all the dumb stuff that you buy throughout the week, the month, whatever you guys do to like spend your money. Get rid of all that and just try to save more money. But you guys, that is pretty much it for the fundamentals of saving money. Just make sure that throughout your week, you keep in mind where your money is going. Don't let it just slip out the cracks. Make sure you're watching it. And the tool that I'm going to give you guys is going to help you guys keep your eyes on your money. Make sure you know exactly what each dollar does. And I'm actually not going to give you guys an exact name for the tool that you have to use, but what I do recommend is having a budget app on your phone. Now, it doesn't matter which one you guys use at all. This isn't sponsored. I wasn't told to say any of this. I will actually tell you guys which one I use. But you guys can go to your app store, whatever phone you guys have. There are apps for budgets on like everything. So just go to your app store, try to find one that works for you, test out like 3 or 4, see which one works best for you, because I actually had to try out like 5, I think. I downloaded like 5. I kept 1. And on that one app, I literally keep track of all of my income that comes in, all of my bills that I have to pay, and then the expenses that I have throughout the week. The app that I use is actually called Fudget. 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 So instead of budget, it starts with an F. Now the app is super simple. I usually just do like a certain date to the end of the week. So I could start on a Monday and then end it on a Sunday, and then I'll keep track of those 7 days of whatever I spend money on. So if you have a fixed income that comes in each week, or let's say you guys have a fixed income that comes bi-weekly, you guys could, do it however you guys want, however you guys get paid. Now, as soon as I put in the incomes, I actually start putting in the monthly expenses, things that I have to pay every single month, every single week. I go ahead and put those in, so then as I go down the list, I can see exactly how much money I have left to spend. And also, not just the expenses, but I also add in all the money that I have to save that week, that month, bi-weekly, however you guys want to do it. Make sure you guys put that in first. So now you guys have the income in there. You're going to subtract the expenses that you guys have, that you guys know you guys are going to have. That you could do like rent on there. You guys could do your monthly rent. You could divide that. If let's say you get paid weekly, you could divide the rent by 4 and then just subtract that from your weekly income if that is how you get money. And then right after the expenses, put in the savings that you are telling yourself that you have to have by the end of that time frame. Now, throughout your time frame, all you have to do is add in the expenses any other miscellaneous expenses you guys have throughout the week. Like say you go out to eat, maybe you get a pair of shoes, or whatever the case is, make sure you put it into that budget app. Whichever one you guys get, make sure you guys put it in there. Now at the bottom of the app that I use, it actually tells me the remaining balance that I have of money that I'm able to spend. So let's say in that week I have like $5 left, but my friends invite me out to go eat. I know I can't eat for $5 wherever we go. That app is literally letting me know I don't have any more money that I had planned to spend that week, month, whatever the time frame is. I don't have any more money to spend. So by being able to keep track of the money, seeing exactly how much more I have left to spend that week, instead of just, paying, just checking later on in your night when you can't do anything about it. The money is already gone. You already overspent. Just put it in there. You already know you don't have any money, and it will actually stop you from spending that money. Now, at first, this is going to seem like a really, really annoying thing to do every single day, every single time you have an expense, a bill, income, whatever it may be. You guys are going to think it's annoying, but as you guys get used to it, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you'll get used to it. It'll be like a regular routine thing that you do. As soon as you spend money, you can put it in there, and you'll get used to it. It's not going to be annoying. Whenever I use it, it's actually not annoying. Or you guys could do it how I did at the beginning. Every single day, I would get on my budget app and then put in everything that I wasted on, had expenses on from the day before. Put that in all in one time. So all you have to do is just one time for one day. So instead of having to do it for every single expense that you have throughout your days, you can do it once a day, just to make sure you keep track of it. So you guys can start off by doing it that once a day, then you'll get more used to it, and it'll be easy to do. So once you guys start getting more used to it, you'll be able to do it after every single expense, and that'll keep everything more accurate. So once again, guys, I use the app called Fudget, but you guys, there are a ton of other apps that you guys can use. Fudget is just the one that I prefer, but Dave Ramsey has one. I think it's called Every Dollar, and that one it's actually a lot more exact. You actually put in your expenses for every single month. I just like doing it weekly. Since I get paid weekly, Fudget is a lot easier for me. So maybe if you guys get paid weekly and it's a fixed income every single week, Fudget might be the one for you. But you guys just try 4 or 5 different apps and see which one you guys like better. I promise if you can keep your eyes on your money, see exactly where it goes, and you guys actually want to save money, and I'm pretty sure you guys do since you guys are watching this video, you guys will save more money just by having a budget. You guys can do it on an app, or even maybe you guys can do it on a piece of paper. You guys fill it out every single day, but I would definitely recommend the app just because you can take it anywhere you go, and it's literally always with you. But you guys, that is the #1 tool that I feel like helps me save money. Even if you guys aren't making that much money, remember, it's about how much you actually save. But you guys, that is going to be it for this video. I just wanted to share this tool for you guys so you guys can get better on your finances. Maybe you guys want to invest in something. Maybe you guys want to get a camera and start your own YouTube channel. This could really help you save the money for that camera. Whatever you're trying to get, whatever you're trying to invest into, this could really boost your savings. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome advice that I have on the way for you guys. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them down in the comments. I promise I'll reply to any comment that you guys have. If I don't know the answer, I will work my best to find the answer for you, and we can work on it together, but I will reply to every single comment. But you guys, I will see you guys in the next video.